Welcome back to Ubud. So I'm starting the journey from the sacred monkey forest. I'm going to finish the end of Jalan Monkey Forest Road and then I'll head up Jalan Hanoman back to the center of town where the Ubud Palace is. It's probably going to take 20-25 minutes to walk up this hill. I won't film everything. Tell you what, it is still hot and humid in Ubud. We are in the hills. It's a little bit cooler at the evenings. I have been sleeping with a doona over me, which I didn't do down on the coast. But the days are hot and sweaty. I'm not going to show you my t-shirt. It looks like I'm in a wet t-shirt contest, which I don't think I'll win. I think I'll stop halfway up for a nice cold drink. Now this is the end of Jalan Monkey Forest Road, and I think that's the start of Jalan Hanoman, named after the Hindu god of the monkeys. Very creative. Bebek Bengil, that is the traditional Balinese dirty duck. Original crispy duck since 1990. I think there's a few duck restaurants that claim to be the original. There is Ryoshi. Now I went there, I think 2002, 2003. There used to be plenty of Ryoshis. Definitely one in Seminyak. There used to be one in Nusa Dua, but I think that's closed down. But that is definitely the same one. Ryoshi. Plenty of Indian in Bali. Punjabi grill. I think sharing a religion, a lot of Indians come to Bali. Now I worked with an Indian Hindu. He said he came to Bali for the first time. He said he visited some of the temples. He said he didn't recognize any of the gods. So other than the main gods, Vishnu, Shiva, Brahma, they have different gods here in Bali. There are temples everywhere. Now it looks like a temple, but that is a guest house. Astiti. Taman Sari. You really got to be careful when you're walking. It is dangerous, very dangerous, pointing the camera and not looking. There are holes, there are drains. You'll see as we get to the top of this street, it just gets busier and busier. That is the heart of Ubud. Plenty of choices of restaurants. There is a festival going on in Bali. I know at the mother temple up near Mount Agung, I was told there was a festival that starts there, or a ceremony. It started 2 days ago and it goes for a whole month. Everybody in Bali is supposed to visit at least once during this month. Now I'm going to go visit in a couple of days. I'm expecting it to be very busy. Tomorrow I'm going to do a day trip around Ubud. Go visit the rice terraces, a waterfall, and a couple of villages that specialize in arts and crafts, mainly wooden sculptures. There are not as many restaurants down this street compared to Monkey Forest Road. Lots of boutiques, fashion stores, jewelry stores. Here we go, one of the places that does the ketchup dance and fire dance. The Indonesians have a great sense of humor. Taxi driver just here, instead of saying taxi, he said helicopter. I should have stopped 5 minutes ago for a drink, because I haven't walked past a restaurant since then. Saya House. Warung and coffee done. Alright, I am rehydrated. At the beginning of this video I said there's a bunch of restaurants up here, but I'm mistaken again. Down the bottom, so at the bottom of Jalan Hanoman, you turn to the right to go to Monkey Forest Road. You turn to the left, there's a section down there with loads of restaurants. They look more upmarket restaurants, fine dining, loads of different cuisines, Turkish, Japanese, lots of Italian, lots of Indonesian and Balinese, a number of duck restaurants. I will do a walk down there, so I'm going to go to the famous duck restaurant. I will show you those restaurants there. If you keep going past that road, down that road, it changes into Jalan Gaya, which is a famous temple. It is, Goa is cave and Gajah is elephant. It is definitely worth a trip. I'll show you some photos of Gaya Gajah. This is probably one of the top 5 temples to visit in Bali. Back to central Ubud. So if I go down here, this will take me to Ubud Palace. Now I've got a couple of things that I've got to change money, and then I've got to get the shuttle bus back to my resort. See the traffic on this main road. There's a few restaurants along here. I guarantee that section I'll take you to in the next couple of days is a huge selection of restaurants. See, the exchange rate on this main road is not as good if you go a couple of minutes further away. This is the start of the markets. So I'm back to central Ubud. That is Ubud Palace there. And I'm going to go a little bit further down where I get the shuttle pickup. There is a museum there. So I'll walk a little bit further down. That is the traditional market. Here we go, Luwak. If you want coffee that's been shat out by a cat, that is the most expensive coffee you'll get in the world. Luwak. I think it's like, some places it's up to $20 for one cup of coffee. Probably less here in Bali. But if you got that imported to Australia, I guarantee it'll be $20 a cup. As I said, it's a traditional Indonesian cat that eats the coffee beans, shits them out, and apparently it enhances the flavour. I'm sure it does enhance. Not in a good way, I don't think. I've never tried it. Don't think I will. to Ubud Palace. So this is Jalan Monkey Forest. My t-shirt is absolutely drenched. Rather than wash it, I think I'm going to burn it. Look at the traffic. As I said last afternoon from 4 p.m, this will be gridlock. Both directions, bumper to bumper. It's already bad enough, but it will get worse this afternoon. And this is a Sunday. There is Ubud Art Market. Uno Italian restaurant. Alright, a little bit further down to the museum. Money change now 11,175. I think the best I saw 11,200, so less 25 rupiah, so over $100, 2,500. It's not even 20 cents difference. 20 cents. Now another restaurant, and I ate there in Sanur, the Chowk Indian. Very, very good. There is one here, and this is the museum. This is where my shuttle bus will pick me up, take me back to the resort. Now I have no idea what this museum is all about. Let me Google it and I'll put a little description below. That is the Chowk. Very good Indian food. Alright, video number 2 done. I'll see you tomorrow for the tour around Ubud, and then the next day down to the restaurant central. Alright, happy days. Thanks for watching.